Was war denn das, Alter? Fireball.
Fireball. What is up, my friends on YouTube? I'm gonna unbox the Prime Day shopping. No, it wasn't Prime Day, it was Black Friday. I ordered some things and I tried to order as not as many. Oh, scheiße. What means shit in Austria? Oh, look at it. This one is special. I ordered this one for Katie. Look at it. It's like a water jet to film your car. SD cards. Also had those on the list. Here we have it. Motor oil. Also bought that because, you know, I like my videos and my Katie. Only the best for Katie and my videos. Ah shit, what? It is already here, I can't believe. I didn't expect that. Oh shit, I ordered this one from the UK because it was 60 euros cheaper than. No! That's also amazing. Look at this professional video stuff. Can't believe it anymore. I'll put this here. And what is this one? This is also a large one. I bought so many things I don't even know what can arrive here. Look at my knife. This knife is amazing. My friends gave it to me as a gift. Thank you, my friends. Also, if you're watching these videos. Here we have the tripod for the camera. What is up, my friends? Today we're gonna do a unboxing video of the all new gear to produce even better content for you. Where do I have my knife? Here is my knife. Here we have a tripod. Here we have the camera. I bought the Lumix GH5. It's a pretty well-known camera, especially good for making videos. We got the Ronin Gimbal. Look at this box. It's just DJI quality shit. You already see it. This feels amazing. And we have another stabilization piece for the camera. So I'm gonna start with this one. Ooh, there's bubble wrap in it. Look at it. This is like a 4th-axis stabilization for the camera. You have to adjust it with springs and the weight of your rig. What will be the gimbal and the camera. What do we have here? A lot of shit. I'm gonna read myself into these things when I'm done. This is a tripod. I like that this one already comes in this package. Feels pretty nice. I mean, there are some, minor stitching faults, but if the tripod is good quality and is durable, because the one that I'm using now, this seems like an upgrade to the one I've been using. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna leave that one also to here. Look at these grips here. That is luscious. What means extremely pleased. it's really luscious. So let's put that here. And now the camera itself. I got a pretty good deal on this one. I use a page called GH5. It's pretty known, like in the European Union, to compare prices. It saved me, a couple of $100 on the camera, because I ordered it from Amazon UK, and so it was £1,300. What we have here? Ah man, that was so stupid. I bought it by Amazon UK and it comes with a UK charger. And I have European power outlets. God damn it, that was fucking stupid. I think that is the smallest problem. And this is like, I don't know, a beginner semi-professional camera. I never used cameras before. Just brought this into the blind. What do we have here? Ooh, we have a nice carrier strap that says GH5. Can't believe it anymore. And this is it, the camera itself. Ah, look at it. Feels nice. I think it's really important when you buy a camera that you, hold it in your hands before you actually buy it. So if you want to buy a camera, you should go into your camera store and hold the camera in the hands you want, and then buy it online if the price is better. Hello my friends, we are back filming. Me and my sister, we are testing the camera gear out. I absolutely hate these things here. They fucking annoy me. They always make sounds when you move the camera. Now I'm gonna cut these things off. You can film it. And I also don't know a lot of photographers, close your eyes, that have like the gear I'm using, because wow, that was spicy. Yes, this is it. It's way better now. No annoying things that make sounds when you put this camera onto your new gimbal. We are auto-tuning the gimbal, so I'm gonna press it again. Look at it. It starts shaking a little bit. Shit, look at it. The joystick. Yeah! Steh's wild.
Can't believe it anymore.
Can't believe it anymore. And this is the new rig. Look at it. It's making good videos when we are steering it. And this is the old rig. It even got duct tape on it. It's not even. You can't even position it right, but it has done me well. It's also so nice. I can always talk very good English with you because we were in NC. There's gonna be the NC docu. Geezer! What's up, Geezer? You've seen the NC docu yet? I don't believe it. No, they're not. You know, when some geezers don't believe that you can do it, like building a trebuchet, then you have to be the living proof.
The living proof.
And nothing's better living proof than
the world.
nothing is a better living proof than the fucking 90 kilo fireball coming your way from 100 meters away. Fireball.
Was waren denn das, Alter? Fireball.
I've unlocked the axis and something crazy happened. Ooh, look at him, he's taking the shots. There's like so much I don't even know. I bought like a camera without knowing that much about photography. I don't even know a lot about the whole settings. I have to learn it first. Man, these photos are just delicious, bro. They're so good. Let me put the thing up onto that. I mean, look at this. Now you are on the set. So nice. Alter, das ist Leimer wild, man. It's so crazy because I can chase somebody and the autofocus even is focusing on their face while I'm chasing. And the camera picture behind there, it just stays so smooth. I even did a test where I shit. It's nice. What is up, my friends? This is a new video update. This is a painting of my mom, who's awesome. There's a lot of Jelly Bean merchandise, as you can see. And as you maybe can hear, the audio quality is shit, so I bought a nice microphone. Gonna unbox it right now. Look at it! Delicious Ronin microphone. We even have that thing that makes you feel like a TV moderator. Nice, yeah. And we're gonna plug it in right now. Be right back. I tried to open that thing, but I can't open it because there's still something holding it together. So I take out this notch here, we call my vital higher. Gonna slice up this package. Really precisely. Yes, super precisely. I'm putting the knife away before I'm doing anything, and I destroyed the package already. It was an instant fail, so I'm just gonna open it up. That's not that bad. Here it is, look at that thing, how nice it looks. What do you think, my friend?
It's full pretty.
It's full pretty, yeah. And look at it, it even has like something you can put it into. It's so pretty. Wow! And I'm a total expert at it. But we are learning every day. You have to really plug it in that way, and I have to mount that thing onto the camera. Well, it's going to be tricky as well. Video micro regulation and safety. One obvious safety rule is not putting that thing way too deep into your mouth. That would be fucking stupid. I already thought about safety. With my roller skates, this is a sound check of the new microphone. I'm just gonna record some music near the speaker with it. That's enough, I'm gonna put it in now. And this is the new audio quality. The camera has a little display, I can see it's a bit loud, I guess. But maybe you notice the improvement with a headset way better. Now I'm talking to the camera, to the microphone. I hope this is an improvement in my production quality, so you guys can see those high quality videos. Smashed and grabbed my radio on the festivals. Criminals smashed and grabbed my radio. I repaired it.